Hey, it's your girl Constance Carter, and I'm going to give you 4 tips so that you can start helping your children become investors at an early age. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to open up an Acorns account for your children. Now, put money aside for your children every week, every month, and Acorns will take that money and they will invest it in the stock market on your children's behalf. Number 2, I want you to add your children on your credit card as an authorized user. That way, when they become 18 and they're eligible to start purchasing, they'll have good credit. Number 3, if you're a business owner, I want you to start paying your children a salary. You can pay each of your children up to $12,000 in salary to write off for you, and they do not have to claim it in taxes. And then I'm going to show you how to take that $12,000 when they're 18 and turn it into $50,000 or $60,000. So now they have verifiable income, and they can, number 4, start investing in property. 3.5% down, get them a multi-unit, let their neighbors pay their entire mortgage, or get them a condo and let their roommates pay them rent that goes towards the mortgage. You've just made your children an investor, created a legacy for your children in 4 easy steps.